Guys, I got a 2023 and this will fit a 2024 as well, Kia Telluride, and I'm going to show you how to replace the cabin air filter. I'm going to open this up. This piece right here, you're just going to spin it, pop it out. Same with this one over here. Spin it and pop it out. It's going to enable you to remove this piece right here. So pop this piece out. There's your cabin air filter. You're going to just pop that up on both sides, lift that up. The airflow is pointed down. This one's pretty new. I just did it, but I'm just showing you how to do it. So that's where it's located. Again, when we put this back up, and pop that in like that. Put this stuff back in. And then pop these back in as well. You're gonna have to push the door up a bit for these to go in. So you can't have this all the way down. That's how you do it. I'm gonna link one in the description for Amazon. So hopefully this helps, and thanks for watching.